Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, BM Coding. Today we are gonna be learning how to create a basic website. So first of all we start by creating a doc-type HTML tag. Then we create a HTML tag and a body tag after that. We choose a background color. Then we use the center tag. After that, we create a field set tag, then we customize it with the style attribute. First of all, I will customize the width and the height. After that, we choose a background color and we customize the borders width and the edges. After we customize it, we create a h1 tag and we write the name of the website. Then after that, we create an unordered list tag. You can also customize it. Inside it we write a list tag, and you can write whatever you want in it. Here is the result.